So, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a fabulous day. So, this is a base gel and top coat set, and that is some super top coat. And these are in new 15 milliliter bottles. Now, I had some questions, so I asked Born Pretty. These are not HEMA free, so make a note of that if you have a HEMA allergy. Even though the new bottles look similar to the HEMA-free bottles, they're not. And the second box is the Snow Coral Ice Jelly collection. So I think these are going to be beautiful. Now, they're not technically nudes, but you can definitely use them as nudes. They are very subtle and absolutely gorgeous colors. And I will tell you, as soon as I saw these colors, I knew exactly what design nails I was going to do with them. But that will be in a separate video. For today's video, we're just going to take a look and swatch these. And per my usual swatching with Jellies, I did do a swatching of 1 layer, 2 layers, and 3 layers, so you can see the difference and how buildable they are with their colors. And of course, that comes with the standard directions on how to apply, how to remove, how to use their cat eye gels, and all the little particulars and reminders. And I definitely suggest that even if you've used these before, always read the directions on any new gel polishes, just in case. So everybody needs a little reminder now and then, so make sure to do that. And here I'm showing you the ingredients in the top coat and base coats, as I usually do, to make sure you're well informed. And I always suggest make sure always to check your ingredients on new gel polishes, just in case. And I apologize for the dinging. My husband is out buying a new washer and dryer for me because my washing machine took a crap a couple of days ago. So instead of just buying a washing machine and having a 6-year-old dryer, we would just went ahead and bought both. Because when one goes, the other is sure to follow. And currently, both of these collections, the jelly gels and these new base and top coats, are on sale on the Born Pretty site. So if you're interested in these colors, and I'm sure you will be because they are gorgeous, you might want to go ahead and pick them up now while they're still on sale. Also, I will leave my discount code in the description box so you can save some coins, because who doesn't love a good deal and saving some money with a beautiful product on top of it. Now, I am showing you the base and top coat. They were actually not quite as thick as I expected, which I actually was surprised at how much I really liked these. And check out the new brush. I showed you that new brush, but I will show you the old brush as well, so you can check out the difference. I was super surprised at how much gel polish these new brushes actually held. And I really didn't have to keep dipping into the bottle to replenish the supply on the brush because it held perfectly. But at the same time, it didn't really pool or anything like that. So that was really nice. Now I will say, just like regular top coats and base coats, these do have somewhat of that funny gel polish smell. So just be aware if you are sensitive to the smells. It's not super strong, but it is there. And here is the old brush that came with the top coat. And you see how much smaller it is? It's fairly similar, but it doesn't look like it's the same material. The other one seems more like it's not plastic. But it works so much better with this new brush. I am very impressed with this new brush, and I hope they continue with these new brushes in some of the regular gel polishes because they are super nice and they go on super smooth. Probably hence the name Super Shiny Top Coat and Base Coat. And you're right, I usually don't show doing the base coats on swatch sticks, but I really thought I would showcase these because I was very impressed with this base coat and top coat. And that base coat is very, very clear, and the top coat, oh my goodness, the shine on it is absolutely amazing. And I will show you that, the difference between having the top coat on it and not having the top coat on, super shiny top coat, and I think you'll be pleasantly amazed at how shiny it really is. I'm still like in shock on how pretty it is. I had to double check to make sure I didn't overdo it, because I kept wanting to put more on, and it's just that gorgeous of a top coat. And it really makes these colors sing, especially this glitter one right here. Oh my goodness. So I want to give Born Pretty a huge shout out and thank you for sending me these gorgeous, gorgeous gel polishes. I am very much enjoying them. They are very versatile, and I think you will enjoy them too. I do want to give a big shout out to all of my subscribers, all my OGs and my newer subscribers. I so appreciate you taking the time to watch with me while I do these swatches, and just checking out my other videos and shorts. I don't do a lot of shorts, but I do some here and there. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you do consider it. I do lots of fun things, lots of fun sets. Of course, I love seeing your comments, and I hope that you are hitting that like button, and that really helps get my channel out there for more people to see. And I totally appreciate it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and jump off here. You've heard enough of me blabbering, and I'm going to let you enjoy this swatching with some tunes. And I will be back in a second separate video to do a nail set that I hope you're really going to like, because I thought it was so gorgeous, and I absolutely could not stop staring at them. But that's just me.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.